Hi everyone, so I want to show everyone my new 3D printed nest that I've been testing out this year. So they are completely stackable, have thermometer and hygrometer, and I put some laziest niger that I caught last year from a test tube into the nest to see how it worked. Guess about 6-7 months later, and the colony's blown up. I did get onto Alibaba and decided to craft my own outworld to go with the nest. Still not enough to... I'm about ready to add a second nest to stack and increase the amount of space the ants have. They're getting pretty full in here, but the outworld sits on a tray that goes with the entire nest, so you can actually stack it as many nests as you need under the outworld. And I've designed a little ramp system and a liquid feeder externally that I just put some ant nectar in, and they seem to love it. So if you have any recommendations or are interested in one, just hit me up.